Codenja. So this is the second coding question that is mostly asked by the top bank companies. So let's solve this using brute force approach. So this one is the best time to buy and sell stock. So here you are given an array prices where prices of y is the prices of the given stock on the ith ray. So here what we need to do is we need to buy the at the lowest amount and sell it at the highest amount, and we need to return the maximum profit. So let's start with using the for loop. I'll start with a 0 and I'll start with the prices of length, which is meant to use it to iterate over the entire array. So for finding out the difference from the current day to the previous day, I will take another loop. So this one is for the j and it for the next day. So this is also prices dot length and j plus plus. So to store the current profit, I will take an variable called current profit, and to find out the difference, I'll check with using prices of j minus prices of I. Actually gives us the difference. So what we need to return the maximum profit that we can achieve from this array. So I will take a variable which called profit. So okay, I'll call it as a max profit. So initially max profit is 0, and here max profit is we need to return the maximum profit that is generated. So profit and current profit, it compares both the current profit and max profit, and we need to return the max profit finally. So this is the brute force approach. I will also solve it in optimized approach in the next code. So I will tell you the time complexity for this. Before telling the complexity, I'll run the code again. So all the test cases are passed. So here I'm using two for loops which takes off and square time complexity, and also I will here I'm not taking any extra space. So here the space complexity is O of n, O of 1 complexity. So this is how we solve the best time to buy and sell stock using brute force approach. So thanks for watching the video. So in the next video I will solve this using the optimized approach.